In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to request a review on Facebook Marketplace if you're unable to access it or if your marketplace has been restricted. Let's get started. The process is quick and simple. Launch your Facebook and navigate to the menu page. Now scroll down and head over to the option Help and Support. Now here you're going to find the option Report a Problem. You'll need to click on that. Now click on the option Continue to Report. Click on Don't Include. Now here you're going to find list of features. Select Marketplace. Now describe your issue clearly. Explain that you are unable to access Marketplace and would like the issue resolved as soon as possible. If you have any screenshots related to the problem, tap Upload from the phone to attach them. Once you have filed everything out, tap Send to submit the request. After sending, you'll see a confirmation message stating that Facebook is reviewing your request and you will receive an email once they have taken the action. From here, all that's left is to wait for Facebook to give it back to you. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.